we are, again, really close. Doors, hinges, touch-ups. The painters are gonna come in tomorrow, and the tapers have been doing a really good job of getting rid of that popcorn wall. It's the last stretch. So today I'm excited, I'm feeling good. I got coffee and I'm ready to go. Get this wrapped up so we can move on and take care of some of our other customers. And yeah. Can you wanna let them upstairs know? I can do it now, I can do it in an hour, whatever works for them.
Okay. I'll call them right now.
Thank you. Bye. So that's water. That's shut off water. Okay, that's taken care of. I got a list of text messages. Oh no, come on. What? I bought the orange thing and now I don't have it.
Where did you put it when you bought it?
In my pocket. So that this didn't happen. Can you check for me?
In the
truck? The back of the truck.
The back of the truck?
Yeah, like me. Like imagine me standing out there playing with it in my hand and putting it down. Huh? Okay, maybe the heater in the front. Not the heater, the safe.
Pull out the insides of your pocket. It might be just stuck in there somewhere, no? Back pockets, front pockets, side pockets, under pockets.
I don't know why those things like love to go missing. But it's so small that it's not like a significant thing.
Everybody's looking for this one piece. We can't find it.
Oh.
Look at that.
She told you.
Yeah,
I said check all the pockets, the in pockets, the in. That's what, men never listen.
Thank you. Is your toilet paper up there? Holy. Is there some sort of paper?
No, you ever go upstairs?
Towel? Go in the other office. At the bottom of the stairs, there should be a box of paper. Get like 3 or 4 rolls, please.
In the other room?
In the other office.
Yo, what is that, bro?
Water.
No, but it's dirty water, bro.
Yeah, from all the dust in here. This is coming from the drinking water pipe.
Oh. You sure it's drinking water, though?
Yeah, it's clean water. Well, not drinking, but clean water.
You need another one?
Not right this side, but.
Well, I'll put it in the bathroom. Is it working?
Does it work? Mm-hmm. It should be okay, yeah. Do you have another light script?
Let me check.
Thank you.
Ice cream.
Oh my god, this water.
Babe, tell the camera how you really feel.
I'm fucking very annoyed.
You're sweating buckets. Get it.
No, I'm not. It's water.
Oh, it's water?
But I'm worried that it's gonna damage the cabinet. It's my biggest worry.
Oh.
Can you go get my shirt that's on the passenger
There's
side?
a mop upstairs.
Backseat, passenger
Is
side.
it for the
backseat.
floor?
It's
or
for
there?
everything. It's for
Huh?
everything. Just get my shirt.
Because I can use the vacuum. We'll suck it all up. Where's your shirt?
In the back seat, I believe, on the passenger side door. So whenever there's plumbing to do, especially residential, you shut off the water. You normally turn on a tap upstairs so that you can release some of the water pressure, and then you turn on a tap downstairs, the lowest tap you can find, to release all the water and let it drain out. In this case, we don't have access to either. So all the water gets stuck inside of here.
Sorry to report, there's no shirt.
There is, or should have been.
Okay. Yeah, they smell. It's just to clean the water.
No, I know. On the door, did you check on the door?
On the door. No, I don't think I checked on the door. Do you want me to go check again? This is not gonna work for you?
It smells like Anyway, it'll be fine.
Baby, are you sure that everything's off?
Everything is off. It's just that these are the lowest pipes in the entire building.
Oh, so it's all coming this way?
It's cracked on the one side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What do you need? Nothing else to do?
Huh?
Nothing else to do?
I just gotta get a new piece for that eventually. It's a planer. It's a hammer. Okay, that door's done.